Las Vegas man might play a major role in saving homes and buildings from future fires. As Gerard Romalo shows us, his fire suppressant system is a combination of ingenuity and water power.
We have a frequency drive which turns single-phase 240 volt into three-phase electricity, which goes down to our motor.
Douglas B. Azar is a contractor by trade, but an inventor at heart. For the past several months, he's been working on a contraption inspired in part by treacherous wildfires, like this one burning near Yosemite.
And this can be used for barns, it can be used for churches, schools, all those places that you see in California that are burning down could be protected.
Doug believes his fire suppressant system will someday save lives.
To do a fire test, I'm going to use a lighter and burn through one of the filament lines, just like you would have wrapped around your house.
And once the line is broken, sprinklers turn on automatically. The system runs on batteries charged by solar panels. The trick is his high-pressure pump, which puts out nearly 40 pounds per square inch per sprinkler.
Something like this would help because you know what it is, the fire brands get on the house, into the eaves. Some places have dry grass. The fire climb right up your front stairs.
And in situations like these, if nothing else, it may provide extra time for firefighters to arrive. Obviously, the system requires some type of water source or water tank. Doug says he's hooked it up so that if you have a backyard pool, the water can be siphoned directly from there.
The machine's calling me that it's active, that it's protecting the house.
Yes, it will even send you an alert through your cell phone. Doug says he's completed the design. Now it's just a matter of letting people know it's available. For those looking to protect their home, he says this Las Vegas invention may be the answer. Gerard Romalo, News 3.
Doug says the cost to build one of his systems is under $10,000, depending on the size. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how it works, just head to our website and click on links.